Okay, somebody just gave this to us, left us here. I'm sure nobody knows what it is. You can see it's black and it has feet. It is a black chicken.
Yes. Oh.
They're supposed to be really healthy for you.
Yeah.
They're really expensive.
Bigger.
Yes, the head's on it for all you people that are a little bit squeamish.
The trophy. And cleaning it.
First it gets cleaned with salt. It's going to be soup. It's not going to be, we're not going to eat the whole chicken.
Just cleaning.
I have a visitor here.
ขอบคุณมาก
มันไม่มีนายยอดปากกาผมไปเด็ดเอาเอง
โอ้ขอบพระคุณค่ะ เดี๋ยวคุณตู่ล้างเกลือก่อนเนี่ยวันนี้จะพากินนะซุปนะตัวเบลเลอร์เลยดูสิไก่กระดูกดำเดี๋ยวจะตุ๋นให้ทานเย็นนี้
Okay, I won't show the whole process, but I wanted to get this for the start, and we'll pick back up on different progress levels.
This one
I think that's the liver.
liver
So that's even black. A special guest chef here helping with the cutting. Kundu. He's the guest chef today. Okay, we're going old style here, cooking this soup over charcoal.
ไม่เป็นไรไม่มีคุณตู่หญิงก็ดื่มกับลุง2 คนคืนนี้อยู่แล้วแต่ว่าลุงจะลองลีโอหน่อยนะทูไนท์อ่ะทายลีโอหญิงไม่รู้ว่าคุณตู่หยุดไงไม่ยอมบอกไม่งั้นเรามีโปรแกรมไปกันไหนแล้ว
To do a little bit of fan in the flame here.
บ่ายโมงอยู่
Get it burning good.
นี่ตุ๋นไก่แล้วอ่ะตุ๋นไก่แล้วไม่ไปแล้วมาเรื่องกินแล้วพากินข้าวเย็นนี้พรุ่งนี้เขาทำบันไดแล้วอ่ะแกนะลุงอ่ะ
Okay, the pot's going on now. There's
only
herbs in there and oh, no chicken, just the herbs, lemongrass and what else? Lime leaf
and มะขาม what sorry
oh tamarind
yes okay and Thai herb okay then have to boil and put in chicken.
Okay, so that has to boil and then the chicken goes in. So we'll be back later when it boils. Okay, we're boiling now. Now it's time for the chicken to go in.
Boiling
I see chili peppers in with that chicken.
That's 2 and 3.
I see a chili pepper right there.
Don't worry, not pet.
Yeah, 2 chilies probably not too bad.
For 2 hours.
2 hours, wow.
ปิดฝาครับ
Okay, put the lid on for 2 hours.
Yep.
Okay, it's been cooking for hours now, and it's finished, I guess. It looks like a lot of the water cooked out, but that's the end result. Okay, there it is in the bowl. And like traditional Thai food, Thai cooking, you don't eat everything. Like this, you don't eat the lime leaves, you don't eat the lemongrass, and of course, obviously, you don't eat the bones. But I'm ready to try it and see how good it is. Okay, we're ready to try this. Falls off the bone pretty much. You wouldn't know that's chicken by the color, but that's what it is. And so Thai food you eat with rice with a spoon. Good. I'm not sure it tastes a little bit different than white chicken, but I'm not sure how. Really don't know how to describe the difference. I think a lot of what I'm tasting is the herbs too.
I hear you eat.
Yeah, man. I mean, the bones just come out clean, so it's falling right off the bones.